अभी ये वीरान है। अभी स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं। Amazing work of students like this. See the talent of student. And this is the break time. The mental level of student from this activity. Assalamu alaikum. Hope so all of you doing well. It's morning time. अभी स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं, इसलिए आप लोग को अभी काफ़ी वीरानगी भी नजर आ रही होगी। दिस इज स्लाइड एंड दिस इज सीसा। अभी स्टूडेंट कम आया, मॉर्निंग टाइम है, तो इसलिए अभी ये वीरान है। Today's video is very exclusive because in this video I will show you amazing painting on walls. And amazing work of students like this. And amazing work of teachers as well. Exclusive and gorgeous drawing of students and neat and clean writing of students as well. And teachers trying for T-section. And this is the question of computer textbook like candid solution. You can see the talent of student. Proper use of mathematical geometry. Graphical representation is also very important. You can see the drawing of every chapter before start. Discipline of Montessori. You know every question has image, so you can see on science and English note. You can examine the mental level of students from this activity.
What are you finding here?
I have find different kinds of books like English and Urdu.
Okay, English and Urdu. Okay.
Like this.
And this is the break time. होप सो आपको हमारी ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी। हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। हमें दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।